Top 35 healthy tip for young generation. I will tell you, so let's start the video. 1. Exercise regularly. Incorporate at least 30 minutes of physical activity into your daily routine. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Choose foods that are rich in nutrients and low in calories, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning properly. 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to rest and recharge. 5. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. 6. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly, cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze, and avoid touching your face. 7. Limit screen time. Reduce your exposure to screens, such as televisions, smartphones, and computers, especially before bedtime. 8. Stay socially connected. Make time to connect with friends and family, either in person or online. 9. Protect your skin. Wear sunscreen and protective clothing when you're outside to reduce your risk of skin cancer. 10. Get regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your doctor, dentist, and other healthcare providers to stay on top of your health. 11. Quit smoking. If you smoke, quit as soon as possible to reduce your risk of lung cancer, heart disease, and other health problems. 12. Limit alcohol consumption. Drink alcohol in moderation, and avoid binge drinking. 13. Practice safe sex. Use condoms or other forms of contraception to protect yourself from sexually transmitted infections. 14. Wear a helmet. Wear a helmet when you're riding a bike, scooter, or other wheeled vehicle to reduce your risk of head injuries. 15. Practice safe driving. Follow traffic rules, wear a seat belt, and avoid distractions while driving to reduce your risk of accidents. 16. Stay mentally active. Engage in mentally stimulating activities, such as reading, playing puzzles, or learning a new skill. 17. Reduce exposure to toxins. Avoid exposure to harmful chemicals, such as pesticide and cleaning products, whenever possible. 18. Stay informed. Stay up to date on the latest health news and recommendations from reliable sources. 19. Volunteer. Find ways to give back to your community by volunteering your time or resources. 20. Take care of your mental health. Seek professional help if you're struggling with mental health issues, such as anxiety, depression, or addiction. 21. Practice good posture. Sit up straight and stand tall to reduce strain on your back and neck. 22. Take breaks. Take regular breaks throughout the day to stretch, move, and rest your eyes. 23. Use technology mindfully. Use technology mindfully and in moderation, and take regular breaks from screens. 24. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of gratitude by focusing on the positive aspects of your life. 25. Build meaningful relationships. Build strong, supportive relationships with family, friends, and co-workers. 26. Spend time in nature. Spend time in nature to reduce stress, boost mood, and improve overall health. 27. Practice mindfulness. Practice mindfulness meditation or other mindfulness techniques to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. 28. Manage your finances. Manage your finances responsibly and avoid overspending to reduce financial stress. 29. Stay organized. Stay organized to reduce stress and improve productivity. 30. Prioritize self-care. Take time for self-care activities, such as taking a relaxing bath, reading a book, or practicing yoga. 31. Stay informed about mental health. Stay informed about mental health issues and resources, and work to reduce stigma surrounding mental illness. 32. Cultivate resilience. Cultivate resilience by learning coping skills and developing a positive outlook. 33. Seek out social support. Seek out social support from friends, family, or support groups when dealing with challenging times. 34. Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals for yourself and work towards them gradually to avoid burnout. 35. Practice empathy. Practice empathy by putting yourself in other people's shoes and showing kindness and understanding towards others. If you feel that I have missed any important health tip, then you can tell us in the comment. If you follow them, then you will never get sick in life. If this video is useful for you, then share it with other people so that other people can also be aware. See you in the next video.